Hey everyone, Dr. Travis Whitney here from Innate Healthcare Institute, and we are going to discuss what is PRP, which is an acronym for platelet-rich plasma. So stay tuned. So if you're curious, you probably found this video about PRP, you're curious about what it is, what it does. You've probably been researching probably for its applications for joint health. Maybe you have an injured joint and somebody said, oh, you should go get PRP, or your doctor said that you should have PRP. Basically, PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. So let's break that down because that's all we need to know. Everything's right there in the name. So our plasma is a portion of our blood, and the procedure involves drawing out some blood. The clinician will decide how much is needed, but usually it's like a couple of tablespoons full of blood. It's not much. You take this blood and you put a couple of things in it like anticoagulants, and there's a whole little fancy process that's involved that is basically separating your red blood cells out from your blood and leaving you with this nice, beautiful, honey-colored plasma portion. So this plasma is rich with platelets, hence the name, platelet-rich plasma. So these platelets are one of our key healing cells in our body. If you take a Biology 101 class, you'll probably learn about platelets. They're one of the first responders to any injury. So when you get like a cut or something, what's clotting and stopping the blood from coming out of that injury are platelets. So they're used for that. They're used for a whole bunch of different purposes, part of our immune system in our body. And so what you're doing is you're getting a rich layer of plasma with those platelets, and you're using that for a therapeutic purpose. Earlier we talked about them being used for joint therapy, for any kind of pain, shoulder, back pain, knee pain, any kind of joint pain. They're very, very commonly used for, and they work really good. Aesthetics, they're big in the aesthetic world. So what we do in the aesthetic world is when you want to make your skin tighter and more luxurious looking and younger looking, what you do is you use a device called a microneedling device, which is about a thing of the size of a pen, and it has a lot of tiny needles on it, and it goes really fast, and it helps break up your skin. And then you put this platelet-rich plasma on the skin, and the platelets go in and they start healing the skin, they start making more collagen, they start making the things that make your skin younger and tighter and more healthful and youthful looking. So that's basically what platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, is. So if you have any questions or comments, something explained further, leave them down below and we can get to that in another video. This is Dr. Travis Whitney with Innate Healthcare Institute. See you next time.